Who doesn't love a good marshmallow pull? Today, we're going to be making protein Rice Krispie treats. Super simple to make, 14 grams of protein. All you need is 5 cups of Rice Krispies, a tablespoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of butter, a whole 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, and a vanilla protein of your choice. I'm using Ryse Protein. No, this is not sponsored. This is just hands down the best protein for marshmallow Rice Krispies. So you're going to melt down your butter on a skillet, add all your marshmallows in, and bring them down to a liquefied state. Right after that, just add in your vanilla and keep mixing. Don't forget to keep mixing so you don't burn anything. Add in 3 scoops of protein. Keep stirring and add in your Rice Krispies a little bit at a time. And this is going to take some muscle work, but keep mixing. I transferred mine into parchment paper into a baking tin. And when you cut them lengthwise like this, they actually end up being 14 grams of protein per bar, or you can cut them in half for 7 grams of protein. Enjoy, guys. Please subscribe.